we're here to do something that's meaningful for the kingdom. So I just ask that you would give us that kind of gladness of heart and purpose. We could honor you, and communicate your heart of affection. And I just want to release all the tension of getting prepared that I feel, being a little behind schedule. Just release that to you right now. And just trust in your heart to make this something that makes a difference to a few. It's not about who doesn't watch, it's about who does. So I just pray that this will be useful, Father. We just receive again the awareness that you're here, you're present, you're within us, and that you have purpose for each of us. And may this day be a gladness of heart for us, I ask in Jesus' name.